everybody, this is Michelle, and I'm here today with Country Craft Creations to share with you a prototype that I did. And I don't normally share my prototypes, but today I really wanted to do this. This is the prototype that I did for the wedding album that I had just posted using Here Comes the Bride, which is an exclusive paper collection from Country Craft Creations. And I'll put the link to that tutorial down below. But I wanted to share with you, what you can do with this tutorial with some other papers. Now, these papers I did also get from Country Craft Creations, and I got them in a mystery box. And there are two different kinds that I kind of mixed together. So Carta Bella, Fall Market, and Simple Stories Fall Farmhouse. And again, I did get these through Country Craft Creations. Every once in a while, a couple times a year, they have mystery boxes, and I did get one last year. And you don't know what you're going to get, but you get a ton of product for very little money. So if you're a member of Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations on Facebook, then you'll get notified kind of when these mystery boxes are going to happen. And then it's first come, first serve. They're limited quantity. And if if you get one, you're going to get like a ton of product. And I did receive a ton of product. So I decided when I do my albums, part of my process is to make a prototype, because I really want to try and make sure that everything that I'm thinking in my brain actually works when I get it into the book. So I tend to make, another example of it. And I don't normally share my prototypes, but I'm going to do it this time. So I just wanted to do that. So again, I used two different kinds of fall papers that I thought really matched well. And then I also used a new die that I got from Country Craft Creations, from Heartfelt Creations, and it has these beautiful corner dies. So on this particular album, I did use those and kind of helped decorate my cover. I used a piece of a 6x8 pad that came in the mystery box for my cover element, and then flowers from my stash that matched, and some buttons here to go with the flowers, a little bit of bling from my stash. So that was the cover of my album. The spine here, the mystery box came with these chipboard pieces, so I got that. And then the back, just the same, except for I did use the corners on this particular album. So this is made the exact same way that I did the wedding album, just in different papers. And I just wanted to share with you what it looked like. So the front pockets, this one, I put a photo mat on, and then I used a tag underneath. I just glued it on three sides. And again, this is a die that I got from Country Craft Creations, and I used that. I'm going to be using this die again on an upcoming project too. It's really fun, and it makes a great tag. This is 6x4, so it's a really good size tag too. Let's see, open it up. I did another photo mat here, and then on the inside I put a couple of the extra cut-aparts from the paper collections that I used, and then I made a booklet, and I just left this one plain for this album, but in the other one I did do a little bit more with that. So then cut-aparts down here that came, like the die cuts that you can get with the collections, and some chipboard pieces. Here's the pinwheel page that I did, and this one opens up and you have your pinwheel photo mats. And then here I used some of the cut aparts from the collection. I created a little tuck spot pocket for that. All of these cut aparts you can tuck a picture behind. So I did that. Turn the page. Isn't this cute? I just think it's really cute. Here's a waterfall. Now I left all the pages in the waterfall plain, used a cut apart here, and then I did another tag for behind there. Here is the tag page with the tag closure, and I did this cute little cut apart to cover kind of the belly band piece of this closure here. And then here is the inside, so another tuck spot, and then these die cuts here you can put a picture behind. So there is that particular piece. And then here is the center layout. And I just used some of the pattern paper that was left over and created photo mats using the pattern paper, which I thought turned out really pretty. Here is the other tag page And again, I used the tags from Heartfelt Creations for this. And I did, because these tags are a little bit bigger than the ones I used in the tutorial, I did have to adjust the size of this a little bit, but not by much. And then this opens up, and again, another layout for photos, and then a tuck spot pocket. And put your tag back in there, and that keeps it all nice and closed. I did use, instead of doing some ribbons, I decided to use some chipboard elements on the tags, which I thought turned out really cute. Here's another waterfall. Again, the insides are plain just to leave lots of room for pictures. Used a cut apart on the front here with that cute little truck. And then, whoop, oh, I just untied my ribbon here, which I didn't mean to do. I'll fix that later, but another tag. And this was from a 6x8 pad, and I just positioned it so that the die cut that out. So I had that saying. And then the last page is another pinwheel page, and this one opens up in the other direction. And again, lots of room for photos. So that turned out really nice. I just love the way that the two paper collections really combined well together. I thought that was really awesome. So again, another photo mat on the top of this flap, and then it opens, excuse me. And then this one, I didn't put a photo mat, but I did leave the dies so that you could tuck pictures underneath. And then the pocket here, more cut aparts, and then another booklet for more photos. So this is the prototype that I did to my Here Comes the Bride album. The tutorial again is listed down in the comments. So if you want to check out that album, I used Here Comes the Bride from Country Craft Creations for that particular tutorial, and it turned out absolutely stunning. So there it is. I just wanted to share that with you. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a really good day. I'll see you soon with more tutorials. Don't forget to check out Country Craft Creations at countrycraftcreations.com. And please, if you want, like and subscribe to my channel. I just would absolutely love it if you would come back and see me again. See you soon. Bye-bye.